Hi guys, and welcome back once again to Dacty for You channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I make my sweet and spicy chicken. So what I have in here is my chicken that has been cleaned, and I soak it in salt water overnight, and I just added in some blended spices mixture. I will leave everything in the descriptive box below, and I just added in some oil. So here I'm going to go ahead and then add in about a tablespoon of the better than beyond chicken spice to it, and then I'll give everything a stir. Guys, it's always good. I always love to soak my chicken in salt water overnight before I use it. That way it makes the salt penetrate into the chicken very well, so that every bite is delicious and beautiful. So if you don't want to do it that way, you can still go ahead and then season everything and put it in your fridge for about 2 to 3 hours minimum. So here I poured everything, I transferred everything into my saucepan, and then I covered it and I put it back in the fridge for about 1 hour for the spices to also penetrate into the chicken, so it's like I'm marinating the chicken. So here it is. After 1 hour, I brought it to the stove, and then I did not add water at that time, so I let it be on fire for about 5 minutes for the spices and everything to penetrate very well before I add in some water. So I just went ahead to add in some water, and then I covered it and I cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. I don't want to overcook it. I don't want dry chicken. I want my chicken to be very juicy. You see, saucy chicken. I love juicy things. Oh my god, yes, I love things that are juicy. So here I'm going to go ahead and then fry my chicken. I have my pan on fire, so I just added in some oil and I started frying my chicken. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fry the chicken on each side for about 8 to 10 minutes. I don't want to like over fry this chicken. I don't want to fry it so much. I don't want it dry. I want my chicken to stay juicy, so I'm just like frying it for about 8 to 10 minutes on each side, and then our chicken will be done. So the first part is done. Look at how juicy and succulent this chicken is looking like. Look at it. It's so sweet. So I'm just taking everything out from the oil and putting it on in a paper towel. So, and then I will set aside and I will fry the second part of the chicken. So now I'm going to go ahead and then fry the second part of the chicken. Oh my god, that little one that was in the oil, I'm going to just bite it right away. So here I'm frying the second part of the chicken, and then we will just go ahead and do the next dish. So here too I'm doing the same thing to it, repeating the same process, frying on each side for 8 to 10 minutes, and then we'll take them out of the oil, then we will continue. So guys, don't forget to check the description box for the ingredient that I used in this recipe. Oh my god, I'm so tired. So here I have my saucepan on fire, and I'm using the same oil that I used to fry the chicken, so to make my spicy and sweet pepper sauce. So here I have my oil, and then I just added in my blended bell pepper mixture. Guys, I'll leave everything in the descriptive box. Everything that is in this mixture, I'll leave it in the descriptive box below. I just added in a pinch of salt to it, and then I continue to stir it. I'm going to fry this for about 20 minutes, between 15 to 20 minutes. It will be fine. Don't mind me, I was making my soup alongside, so I found out that the oil was too small and I added a little bit. Here I just added my honey to it. So guys, this sauce is so spicy. I just added in about 2 tablespoons of honey, so the honey is going to give it that kick of sweetness in the sauce, so it gives it the sweet and the spicy. The sauce is already spicy, and then you have that sweetness in there. and the honey to it, so the mixture it becomes so good. So here I just added in all the chicken to it, and then I just gave it a stir. At this time, like I turn my heat, my fire to very low, like low heat. Mine is up to 9, so it was at 2 or something. So at this time you can either turn the fire off or turn it to a low heat. So here, and then I'll let it be in this for about for about 10 minutes, and then your chicken is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching. All you need at this time is cold beer, cold orange juice, rice, fried rice, kenke. Oh guys, you are good to go. I'm going to eat mine with fried rice. Thank you guys so much.